Welcome to HeartRay testing room. Let our car have a pair of bright eyes is our original attention to buy zero lamp. To maximize the function of zero lamp, we have to have the right lens and the ballast. Today, we recommend the combination set of HeartRay D2H lens set. This is a combination set of D2H, specially made by HeartRay. The package includes a pair of 45-watt and super bright D2H bubbles, a pair of 5-star ballasts, professional quality. All components in the ballast are much higher than the competitor standards. A pair of Halo5 double light lens. The lens is high definition and high temperature resistant. The lens tuned for HeartRay D2H. Make the light more focused and transparent. D2H lens set. The brightness is increased by 70%. The irradiation distance is increased by 150 meters. The illumination width is more wider. HeartRay quality, let's have your way.